What happens if we try to funnel Niagara Falls through a drinking straw? Let's imagine a wild science experiment. Niagara Falls versus a tiny straw. Right away, the water would hit a problem. The straw's opening is far too small. Most of the water would get stuck, building up behind like a giant wall. Here's why. Physics. When water is forced into a narrow space, its speed increases, but only up to a point. Eventually, flow gets choked. Pressure drops. Steam bubbles form inside the water, known as cavitation. Those bubbles can actually destroy pipes from inside. Cavitation isn't just messy, it's dangerous. In fact, engineers estimate Niagara Falls would need at least a 10-meter wide pipe just to avoid disaster. But let's say we ignore physics and force the water through the straw anyway. It would need to move at nearly 1/4 the speed of light. At that speed, water doesn't stay water. It turns into plasma. And now, instead of water, you've created a deadly particle beam, more powerful than all the sunlight hitting Earth. Long story short, scientists everywhere agree. Don't try this.
Enjoyed the ride? Smash that like a rocket. Subscribe to Draw Umma. Hit the bell. Science is about to get even crazier.